Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this is my personal experience using this service. In this video, we're exploring Remitly, a popular online money transfer service found at www.remitly.com. Remitly specializes in facilitating international money transfers, aiming to provide a secure, convenient, and cost-effective way to send funds across borders. Whether you're supporting family overseas, paying for international services, or managing cross-border business transactions, Remitly offers a range of transfer options designed to meet various needs. They often highlight competitive exchange rates and relatively low fees as part of their value proposition. One of Remitly's key focuses is on serving immigrant communities and providing accessible financial tools for those sending money home. They emphasize speed and reliability, aiming to make the process as streamlined as possible. Users can choose from different delivery methods, including bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile money transfers, depending on the recipient's location and preferences. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with both a website and mobile app available for managing transfers on the go. Remitly also places a strong emphasis on security. They employ various safeguards to protect user information and funds, including encryption and fraud prevention measures. The company is regulated in multiple jurisdictions and adheres to strict compliance standards. As with any financial service, however, it's always prudent to research and understand the specific security protocols in place before initiating a transaction. Remitly often features testimonials and user reviews showcasing their positive experiences with the platform, highlighting the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. They also offer dedicated customer support channels to address any questions or concerns that users may have. For more in-depth information and to explore the platform further, be sure to check out www.remitly.com.